Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox delayed movement on PC. First, check your internet connection for stability and speed right away. A slow or inconsistent connection is a common cause of delays, significantly affecting your in-game response time. Ensure you are using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi whenever possible, as this provides a much more stable link. This simple change often resolves many movement issues instantly. Next, optimize your network further. Try restarting your home router by unplugging it for at least 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This simple step can refresh your connection, clearing any temporary network bottlenecks. Also, perform an internet speed test to ensure you are receiving your expected speeds. Anything below 25 megabits per second could contribute to noticeable delays, so consider upgrading your plan if necessary. Now, let's look at your graphics settings and drivers. In Roblox, navigate to your in-game settings and set the graphics quality to 1 or 2, which is typically the lowest. This significantly reduces the strain on your PC. Additionally, update your graphics card drivers to the latest version for your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel card. Outdated drivers can lead to compatibility issues and noticeable movement delays, so keeping them current is crucial for smooth performance. To enhance overall PC performance, first close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Use the Task Manager to identify and end processes that are consuming high amounts of CPU or RAM. Roblox runs best with at least 8 GB of RAM. Furthermore, consider running a disk cleanup to remove temporary files that can slow down your system over time. These steps ensure Roblox has dedicated resources for a smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.